So this is going to be a little bit different. You know, we're not going to spend time coding today, or even looking at code. We're going to talk more about, you know, how you actually bring great experiences to life. Because, you know, as front-end engineering or user interface engineering or web developers, you know, what I look for when I look for great user interface engineers, front-end engineers, is passion about experience, you know, about a great experience. You know, if you just are excited about development, there's a whole spectrum of things you can do in software development. But if you're excited about the user experience, then you usually land, and you're a software engineer, you usually land in this field, because you really want to see your work have an impact in customers and users' lives. And I know that's where, you know, I got jazzed so many years ago, starting off as a game developer, just seeing the immediate impact of people as they experience your software, getting excited, and that's like a kind of like a crack cocaine sort of thing. It's an adrenaline rush you get. So so we're going to talk about something I've changed the title slightly, but it's got the subtitle is what you had as the title, I think. Lean front-end engineering. So I'm curious, how many of you have heard or read the Lean Startup book by Eric Ries? A couple of people, maybe one, okay. And how many of you have heard of Lean UX? Okay, good. Well, we'll give you, that's great. And so what I'm going to be doing is taking some of the principles from the Lean Startup concept, and this is something that's really, especially taken hold in Silicon Valley, in a lot of companies, and apply it to front-end engineering, because it fits really, really well. And this comes out of some real experience for me as I've been at PayPal. And so we'll go through that today. So this will be our order of business today. We'll talk about you know, how products get built, and we'll talk about Lean UX. We'll talk about the Lean tech stack, get into engineering from a Lean perspective, and then I have a talk on anti-patterns. Basically, these are kind of all the bad behaviors or the events that happen when you try to create teams that are more lean and to get stuff done faster as a front-end engineer, partnering with product and design. These are the things that can really go wrong and cause headache and heartache in your team. And then that's going to be our journey today. So you don't have to put the coding hat on today. You're going to put on the hat of how you work as a team, how you think about front-end engineering as a craft that actually, you know, is customer-centric and brings great experience to life, and that's where we're going.